In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools with Notion. If you're new to this, don't worry, we'll go through it step by step. First, you'll need to open up your favorite web browser and navigate to Notion's website. It's a straightforward process. Just type notion.com into your address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says log in. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're presented with various options to log in. To make things easier, especially if you use multiple apps, we'll proceed by clicking on Google. This option will allow you to use your Google account credentials to access Notion seamlessly. As soon as you click on it, a new window pops up with your Google account sign-in options. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, you might see your account listed there automatically. Click on your account to continue. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Notion workspace. Here's where the magic begins. Look for the Notion AI option. This is where you can integrate AI tools into your Notion experience. Click on it to open up a range of new possibilities. The next step requires you to provide some direction to the AI. Consider what you want to achieve. Perhaps it's a project plan, a timetable, or even a meal plan. For this example, we'll focus on creating a meal and grocery plan, which is practical and relevant for day-to-day organization. You'll need to type in some keywords that relate to what you're attempting to build. In the context of meal planning, words like meal, grocery, or even healthy eating can guide the AI's understanding of your intent. After you've input those keywords, the AI will begin generating suggestions and templates that match your criteria. Once the AI has populated these options for you, take a moment to review what's available. When you're ready, look at the panel on the left side of your Notion workspace. You should see an option labeled Meal Plan Template. Clicking on this will open a pre-structured document that you can customize to fit your personal needs. And there you have it, your AI-generated meal and grocery plan template, ready for revision and use. It's that simple to bring artificial intelligence into your everyday Notion activities, boosting productivity and efficiency. Feel free to tweak and tailor the template to better serve your unique purposes. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planning.